Welcome back to the Daily Bread Homestead. I realize it's been a long time since we've made a YouTube post, so we figured we might as well show off our garden. It is May. We are in Georgia. We are what, 7A?
7B, I think. I don't know. Is it 8A?
Okay.
7B? I don't know.
We'll post our garden zone and the exact date and let you guys know, just so that if you need some comparisons with your garden, you'll have them. I know we posted back in 2020 our garden at one point, and we've got a lot of new subscribers since then. So welcome to our garden. I'll try not to take forever on it, but we've been working hard on it. As you can see, it's all behind me. We have a new sign. And hello to all the new subscribers. So maybe we'll even get some chicken photos in here too, since some of you guys were looking at our owl attack. So no more owl attacks since that one, which is great. We owl proofed our coop, and we have a second coop being made right now in the garage. So busy on the homestead, but happy, blessed, and hoping for a good garden harvest this year. Welcome to our Daily Bread garden. Here is a small plant I just planted the other day. Our carrot box, mostly carrots, and there's some onions in there as well. We also have a full strawberry box and then a asparagus box. We have green and purple asparagus. It's our third year, so we have been harvesting. Here we go. I attempted to show you how the watering works for them. We have about 8 to 10 plants in there, and we get about this amount every couple days. Here's another box with some broccoli, some herbs, and some peanuts. My son wanted to do peanuts this year, so we made it happen. Here are some bush beans, and then along the trellising on both sides, there are some Blue Lake pole beans. And here are some different ages of cucumbers. I plan to do some pickling. We have lettuce throughout our garden. I'm sort of testing the raised beds versus the in-ground. And these are a couple different kinds of potatoes. Here is a fresh new watermelon plant, and there are some Chinese garlics there. These are all flowers that I'm showing you right here. And inside the pot, that is some mint. I have different lettuces at different ages, which is great for when you're harvesting. Here's our sweet corn and additional garlic. My husband's out here watering away, and I'm showing off the sunflowers. I have some spaghetti squash growing here with kind of a makeshift trellis. It's zip tied to our compost bins, which are nice and full in a couple of them. Here's our blackberry bushes. Nothing really happening yet. Some of them have already bloomed. They usually don't all bloom at the same time, which is really nice for harvesting. Our grapes are doing nothing right now, but our raspberries are just exploding. Lots of green around here. Here is my first attempt at Jarrahdale pumpkins, and here are pink banana squash plants. I have 2 of them. I'm hoping to get a lot of squashes out of them. Somehow I skipped the 2 blueberry plants, but they are doing great too. Here I'm showing off some onions, some early girl tomato plants. I have some cilantro. There is this pepper plant that something has been eating. We did find this dead mole or vole yesterday, so I'm thinking maybe that was the culprit. The broccoli seems to do really good in the ground. I have zucchini over there, more cilantro, some peppers, and then just a variety of cauliflower and broccoli. Here I actually am experimenting with the side of the house. Now it does not get near as much sun, and I planted more of my creepy crawly ones. So some Kahari melon, for example, watermelon, more pumpkins, and stuff like that. And we have a trellis that we will build for it if they actually end up taking off. Our chickens, I did hear them calling and making some warning sounds, and I think it's because there's a hawk up above. We've never had a hawk attack. They've been pretty smart about the hawks. Here is our mulberry tree. Look at that. They will get bigger and juicier, and then they will turn dark purple. And these ladies like to jump up and eat them. The wild birds like them too, but I'll get a good shot of it. It's a pretty big mulberry tree now. We put that one in a few years ago. Okay, so I am up at our little fruit tree section of the yard. These trees are not looking good, so I let my hubby know. They look like they're shriveling up. We have a peach tree and a nectarine tree.
This one does.
Oh, look at this.
Can you find a sack?
I am notorious for getting pecked at for peanut eggs. So I'm not going to take forever at that. There's
yeah,
eggs. Just letting you know, there's another nest up here. And this is our cherry tree, and it has some red cherries. That's awesome. Yay! We have never gotten any cherries from this tree yet. So I am excited about that. Yay! Great. And that's it. That's our little garden.